Hey guys, it's Marvin. So we're going to do the last part of the Bigcommerce tutorial, and this time it's going to be not on the shoutbox, not on the embedded contact form. It's actually going to be for the Lightbox. Now, if you don't know what a Lightbox is, we have a KB article on that. It's basically a pop-up modal that serves the same features and functions as the Reamaze shoutbox, except it does not follow the user around as they're browsing your website, and there's no trigger. So if you're familiar with the shoutbox, there's a little trigger that stays on the bottom right hand corner. You can reposition it, but there is a trigger for that shoutbox. The Lightbox differs in that you can actually design your own trigger. That can be a line of text, that can be an image, it can be anything you want. And in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to implement the Lightbox embed for Reamaze in your shop, in your Bigcommerce storefront. So to get started, we always start with the embed builder. So go to settings, go to embed builder. Okay, we're going to do the contact form again, but this time we want to load it as a Reamaze Lightbox. Make sure you pick the right brand. Okay, that looks good. You can change the sizing of it if you want to make it a little bit wider. That's perfectly okay. The height can be 400. Actually, we'll make that 500. Go ahead and click next. Just like before, you can add a few form fields. So maybe let's just do order ID for now. Okay, we can make that a required field. Click next. Okay, so now that this is ready, we're going to need both of these things. So for the script, let's go ahead and copy that first. Now we go back to Bigcommerce. In your storefront design, let's just make sure that you have your theme ready. So make sure you're on the theme that you want to use. Okay, this is a little bit different in that we don't need to edit the HTML or the CSS through the theme editor. So make sure you're on the theme that you want. Okay, so this is the Cornerstone Light, and let's go back a little bit, one step, and let's go to storefront content, and under web pages, there's a contact us page. Okay, this is just an example. It can be anywhere you want. So contact us for this example makes the most sense. So we're going to do the contact us page. And let's say I want to make this word right here, assistance. I'm going to make that into the trigger, and it's going to bring up the Reamaze Lightbox. So I'm going to go there, go to contact us. So now in this page, I see this text here, right? This refers to this right here. So I'm going to go to HTML mode. Just before the paragraph here, I'm going to do paste. It's going to paste the script in. And then I'm going to go back and just copy this. This is actually the trigger code for the JavaScript. Okay. So I'm going to go this word here. I'm going to do a paste and just replace this line of text here with the word assistance like it was before. Okay. Go ahead and click update. All right. Let's do a save and exit. Actually, let's do save and keep editing, just in case it doesn't work out. Okay, so now that it's saved, you can see that this word assistance is now hyperlinked. So I'm going to give this page a refresh. Okay, now you can see that this word is highlighted. Let's try that. And voila, this brings up the Reamaze Lightbox. That's very easy to do. It's I think this would be one of the simplest implementations for one of the Reamaze embeds. The shoutbox is highly customizable. It's really great, and it tracks also where the user is. But the Lightbox, if you don't want something so obvious, something that doesn't follow the user around, this is your next best bet. And along with the contact form, you'll be good to go. Okay, so if you have any questions, let us know. Support@reamaze.com. Thanks.